Hi everyone. Just wanted to do a quick mid-trade video on the New Zealand CAD that we spoke about here. Uh, Now, what it's doing is it's doing like a runaway train move, and it's not doing any pullbacks. Now, if we see over here on the right side, um, hang on a minute, yeah, here, so boom. What we look over here, we're expecting CAD, I'm losing my mind, CAD to roll over. So this, even though this looks like it's a real buy model, whatever you want to call it, because all the currencies moved at the same time, the fact that this New Zealand CAD doesn't agree and they're going to need to reprice it means that this will roll over or go sideways. Um, so once we're here, over here on the right side is I'm expecting to hit one of the other currencies and have resistance, and that's when we take the first profit usually. But what happened by the time we were here in time, if we looked at these and we were visualizing this, we were imagining we're going to hit one of them here somewhere, but it didn't happen. They actually increased in value, and this has followed. So this still remains fair value, which means we can still come up here. So it's going to be less resistance for us now as they've moved up. So we can simply just hold and stay with the original target, which is above here, obviously. What does that mean on the overlay chart? Sorry, not the overlay. On the sentiment. What it means on the sentiment is New Zealand, Canada, they are short. So the retail people are getting screwed. So this is a really good opportunity for us actually, because we've got the higher time frame overlays agree, the lower time frame overlays agree, and the sentiment agrees. And then if we look across the board at New Zealand and Canada, oh hang on, before we do that, we'll just check here. So the sellers are down 61 points and the buyers are down 26 points. So they'll allow these guys to profit. So it'll be interesting. We'll put a mark at 8874 and watch what happens there on New Zealand CAD. 8874. It'd be interesting to put see what happens. 8874. Okay. We'll just leave that. That's all. So we'll remember that for later. This is where they're going to let them off out of the hook and allow them to carry on in profit while they're screwing the people that were on the wrong side selling, who is 88% of the market. New Zealand is agreeing here. New Zealand is agreeing here. New Zealand is agreeing here. Okay, so New Zealand's agreeing in the sentiment. CAD, let's just check CAD. They are long dollar, so short CAD. So if that one went up, they'd be correct. What else do we have here? There you go. See, and then we see the total opposite side here. 73. And we can even see, I know, 40. Yeah, there's no point in getting into that. We'll do another video on that. Aussie, CAD. Okay, so they're super short CAD, which means strength for CAD, but that's against the yen. We've seen a discrepancy here because New Zealand doesn't agree with this. And Aussie EuroCAD doesn't agree with Aussie CAD, so it's not about the CAD anymore. if you see what I mean. The money before was about the CAD, but it's not. They're done with the CAD. They're working on another one. Uh, so we can carry on with this. We'll just hold this, watch here a little bit, maybe take one of these off here, and then we're gonna monitor this, see what happens, try and get up here. That's the goal here. But if anything happens over here on the CAD, suggesting something else, e.g., where are we here? Yeah, see, they're all behaving themselves, right? So we're good at the moment. Anyway, that's that. Thanks a lot, then. I'll speak to you later.